my glass. I see a red dot in there now.
You left your keys in the thing.
I know it. Ain't nobody gonna steal this, and I wish they would steal it. I'd pay them to steal it. Now, so how we start with the recording?
Alright, so we're about to go check out. Is this one for you or for me?
You.
You guys, look at this beautiful neighborhood. Everything is walking distance. All these houses are super unique. Each one has like a different brick, or what other materials is there? Brick.
Stucco.
Stucco.
Craftsman.
This
Stone.
one's for sale. You want to go inside it?
I don't know, this might be somebody's house. Oh, dude. Somebody's not doing something. I saw cereal, a cereal and a bike. It says for sale. We're looking for 2nd Street.
We are looking for some houses. Which way is 2nd Street? That would be like 3rd, 4th, 5th. not 3rd, then Gold.
I know it. Just don't pause till I find it. Hey, how are you?
Oh, good. How are y'all?
Good.
We're going in.
Is it recording?
Mm-hmm. What do you think? This is kind of smaller. It feels a little bit more close in.
Open the doors.
Huh? So this is house number 1. It is so beautiful, so efficient, like it didn't waste any space. So from the stairs, there's this room over here. High ceilings, very high ceilings, nice windows. They have this sliding door. Ooh, this is so nice. This is luxe. Y'all, I'm in love with this bathroom. Oh my gosh. Look at this shower. Ooh. Alright. That's not the way you come in. Did you get the hallway?
Mm-hmm.
Okay guys, so as you can see from the upstairs, it does have a loft type of vibe. It has one common open space that you can use for extra entertainment or workspace, and it comes with a full bathroom. It has a bathtub, a toilet, and a double sink at that. It also comes with 2 bedrooms upstairs, a laundry room, and 2 closets for storage space. So they made very good use of the upstairs area. One bedroom does have super high ceilings, which makes the room feel much larger, and the other one is just a standard bedroom size, so you can make use of this space however you would like to. Don't know who my dad thinks he is, you guys. My dad ran off with my camera, and I don't know where he is. Like, he left me again, y'all. Dad! Why does he think this is okay? Give people an inch and they go a mile.
So, man, Lisa, what do you think about this place for your first home?
This place, ooh, did you see that bathroom? Mm-hmm. This place it's cute. It's cute. It's not as open as I would like it to be. The bedrooms weren't that big. They weren't that big. I do like the windows. I think the windows are different. I think the kitchen is really cute. I love this countertop. I love this type of countertop. I think it's very sleek and clean. I love the farmhouse vibe of the place. I love the white, you know, I love me some white and black accents. So I really, really do like this kitchen. I feel like this kitchen is the best part of this home.
Having been with you on these excursions in the past, I don't think this fits your style. It's nice, but it's not Melicia. So
it's not Melicia.
So we shall continue.
We shall continue.
Okay, we're at our second home now. This is called the Warwick, and it is available. Lacey, let me have you sit on that right there and tell us what you're thinking.
The more I'm walking around this place, the more I'm really liking the feel of everything being so close in walking distance. I like having people kind of close by me as far as neighbors and stuff like that. Makes me feel like I'm in a little community. It's very cute, it's very peaceful.
So why don't we take a look inside?
Okay, can we take a quick picture right here?
A quick picture. There's nothing about you that's quick, and there's no such thing as a picture. It's more or less like bursts. So I think we got enough of Melicia.
You sure?
I'm digging those lashes. Could you get us a eyelash bag?
Ramen hair collection. Ramen hair collection.
Really?
Ramen ink on the bag.
Okay.
You know, light work. First of all, look at these beautiful windows. I mean, have you ever? When have you ever?
They're circular.
They're not circular.
At the top?
A little bit, I guess. More round than circular.
Okay. You say tomato, I say tomato. You say banana, I say banana.
All right, let's go on. Let's come on in. So this is the first entrance when you first walk in. A little bathroom. Ooh, this is nice. This is a little upgrade now.
You sound like Beyonce. Let me upgrade you.
Look at the bathroom. Check that out. Check that out. Look at the floor. And come in. This is actually a half bathroom, so it has a toilet and a shower. So, it's another pantry right here. I'll let you look into that. Curious. Let me know what you guys think about this house right here. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think about this house right here?
I like those lighting fixtures there. That's different.
These are so different. I love this black countertop. It's so sleek. It doesn't look dirty too fast. Still very modern. And then also look at this backsplash. You see this black backsplash?
For the person who doesn't cook.
This is the back of the house. Check out the back of the house.
Low maintenance.
Look like money. Look like money. Okay, where should we start? I guess we can start in this room right here.
Sure, kind of.
This is definitely like an office space.
For sure.
For sure, type of room. And then this is a closet. At these houses that I love is how they come. Oh, close the door. It's how they come with all these built-ins. One thing that I really like and want in my dream home is these barn house doors. I just love a good sliding door. This is the bathroom.
Laundry room here. Bathroom.
This is the bathroom. Tub, shower, so nice. Check out this room.
We just came out that room, did we not?
No. This is the second bedroom.
That's what we want to call it.
This is what you want to call it. Second bedroom. Okay, so that was bedroom number 2. This is the master. This is so cute. You guys, look at this master bedroom. Okay, let's go to the bathroom. Let's check out this bathroom. bathroom. Tub. Sink. This is the master. Like I said, it's a decent size. It's pretty spacious compared to the other bedrooms. This is the master closet space. And yeah, there we have the master bedroom, you guys. I'm gonna take you guys back with me. So that was 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and then a 3rd one. And then we're gonna go back downstairs. And this is what you see from downstairs. This is nice. This is a nice contender.